Core values are the solid foundation for PMC success, which are working principles, behavior in the community, and working environment. These standards have strengthened the company's workforce to become more professional and also are our design factors to constantly improve our service quality and search for comparable and effective management solutions. Integrity is the highest standard of professional ethics, the honesty, dedication, and sincerity in every belief, thought, and action that PMC's employees bring to the community to preserve confidence in good life values. Challenges, our experience, standards, criteria, and flexibility for each type of real estate have great solutions and strategies to achieve high efficiency for the best results. Respect is the honor and care for people, properties, environment, and ourselves. In any circumstances, we are deeply aware of ensuring the customer and individual's basic needs and rights. Quality, attention to detail towards the perfection in service quality. We are always searching, learning, and making our best endeavor to become the first choice of customers. Life balance. PMC understands the hustle and bustle of city life with daily concerns, treasure peaceful moments. We always try in this service to create PMC's own moments to compensate for customers and developers a little of what is taken in life. Balancing life and living in harmony with nature is not only the value, but has become PMC's ideal.